guys, as you can see, I'm not wearing any makeup today. In today's video, I'm going to be doing the 3-minute makeup challenge. If you're interested in seeing videos like this, go ahead and click like, and let's get into the video. So to start, I'm going to go ahead and put 3 minutes on my timer on my phone. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and click start, and then we'll get into it. Okay, so to start, I'm going to be using my Bare Minerals makeup, swirl, tap, and buff. Okay, just a little bit more. So next we're gonna go for contour and highlight. I'm gonna take a medium shade and do contour there. Contour there. Okay, and then highlight. I'm gonna do a pop of light, highlight right here. And it says I have 1 minute and 50 seconds left. I'm going to use my Tartelette in Bloom palette to do my eyes. Oh, whoa, that is crazy. Where is my shadow switcher? Okay. Blend. That needs some work. Aye. All right. And how much time do we have? We have 59 seconds. Oh, shoot. It's not blending quite the way that I want it to today. It's not working. All right, and do eyelashes, some mascara. I think I'm running out of time. Oh no. Okay, and lipstick. Okay. And that is it. Whew. So let's see what it ended up looking like. So the eyeshadow, like I said, it definitely, I feel like it could have been blending better. For some reason, it wasn't blending quite the way that I wanted it to. Although I guess it just doesn't look terrible. With the contour, the contour looks pretty good. The highlight, I didn't get to highlight my nose or my forehead, but I don't always do that. And I can barely see this highlighter, although I guess sometimes that's a good thing. You don't want it to just be bam in your face highlighter. So I think overall it looked pretty good. I was a little worried that at the end I wasn't going to be able to do the lipstick, but that worked out as well. And so yeah, this is a full face of makeup within 3 minutes. So I feel like this is something that I'd be comfortable going out in. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy videos like this and you'd like to see more, go ahead and hit like down below, and please consider subscribing, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.